Okay, the need for developing the fact that the square root of minus 1 equals I comes out of the fact that if you go to solve an equation, say like x plus 1 equals 0, x squared plus 1 equals 0, x squared will be minus 1, then x will be plus or minus the square root of minus 1. And then all that we do is we replace the square root of minus 1 with I. So therefore, if you needed to solve, so x squared plus 16i equals 0, 16 equals 0, then x squared plus 16 is minus 16. So it's plus or minus the square root of minus 16, which is plus or minus the square root of minus 1 times square root of 16, which is 4. So it'll be plus or minus I times 4, or plus or minus 4i. This then further helps us to solve any form of quadratic equation, but you just solve it not in the real system. It will go into the whole complex system and include an imaginary part. So let's say x squared plus x, and we're going to go plus 7 equals 0. You had to solve that. Now you can't factorise it because the product is 7 and the sum is 1. So you need to use the quadratic formula here. So you get x equals minus 1, because that's b, plus or minus the square root of 1 squared minus 4 times 7, all over 2 times 1, because a is 1, b is 1, and c is 7. So it's minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 minus 28 is minus 27, all over 2. So it's minus 1 plus or minus square root of 27 times the square root of minus 1 on 2. And then just solving that now, that would be minus 1 plus or minus. Root 27 is 3 root 3. Root minus 1 is just I over 2. So it just means minus 1 plus or minus 3 root 3 I all over 2 as your solution.